Since 2022, DJI FlightHub 2, a one-stop cloud-based drone management platform, has partnered with DJI docks and drone platforms, and now serves 85 countries and regions. It has powered over 2 million flights and delivered more than 400,000 operational hours. Now enhanced with intelligent algorithms, a multimodal LLM, and data analytics, DJI FlightHub 2 is transforming unmanned operations. From remote control to multi-drone management, DJI FlightHub 2 bridges every distance for real-time results. Step into the virtual cockpit, see real-time road overlays, select a subject and zoom in, or use mouse look for precise control. A dashboard brings instant full data visibility. Immersive 3D route editing. What you see is what you get. From patrols and inspections to detailed mapping, DJI FlightHub 2 flexibly plans a variety of routes, making operations more intuitive and efficient. Intelligent algorithms and a multimodal LLM empower drones to not only see, but truly understand. Drones and the platform come with built-in algorithms for real-time detection and counting of vehicles, boats, and more. You can also integrate third-party algorithms for specialized tasks. During automated patrols, the platform gives instant alerts and records each violation point when illegal parking is detected. Photos and locations are promptly pushed to your team, enabling rapid on-site response. With the new multimodal LLM, detection and alerts are triggered instantly from your text or image input, with no training required. All results are saved in flight records. You can also select multiple flight batches in the media library. Enter text or an image to start searching. The platform quickly matches objects from vast image and video datasets, delivering detection results and visualized reports. Search efficiency is over 80 times higher than manual review. For scenarios like engineering and inspections, DJI FlightHub 2 unlocks deeper data value with advanced analytics tools. Easily compare imagery from different project stages on a timeline. Track progress at a glance. Measure gradients, cross-sections, and volumes multiple model phases. Extract structured data and export measurement reports. Manage projects with efficiency and precision. Drag-and-drop configuration lets you automate workflows across flight, modeling, analysis, and reporting. Streamline operations with just a few clicks. With open APIs and visualized configuration, DJI FlightHub 2 integrates deeply with your software systems. It also supports on-premises deployment, with multi-layer security and compliance safeguarding every flight. From the cloud to the field, from data to decisions, DJI's integrated hardware and software solution ushers in a new era of intelligent unmanned operations. Fly with cloud intelligence. The future is in your hands.